In 2025 everyone want to start a YouTube channel, but most of you don't want to show your face, so this tool will cover your problem.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pro Secret.
You've probably seen a face like mine on YouTube Shorts getting millions of views. Now you can create the same, with just a few clicks, and perfect lip sync.
I'm an AI avatar and I created by Pro Secret using totally free AI.
Yes, I'm able to generate AI avatar talking photos, talking animals, talking cartoons. This tool does it all. And the best part? There's no waiting time for the generation process. Yes, it's a fast generator, no need to wait for hours. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel or take your existing one to the next level, this video is for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so make sure you pay close attention. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is Mango AI is one of the best AI video generators out there. You can create videos with talking avatars in just a few clicks. Other AI tools are available in one place. In this video, I'm going to generate some talking photos and show you how to use this tool to its full potential. Simply click the link in the description and sign up with your email. Here, you can see a very user-friendly interface. You can create talking photos, talking animals, and talking cartoons easily. For talking photos, Mango AI provides a realistic character for free. For talking animals, it offers a wide range of realistic animals as well as cartoon-style animals. In the cartoon category, you'll find a variety of characters, male, female, and all genders, perfect for creating kids' stories in just a few clicks. Simply select any character or upload your own, then write your script or upload your audio file, adjust the facial expressions, and click Generate. Now, let's create our first talking photo. We can upload our own photo from our device, but this time, I'm selecting a photo from the available options. I'll show you all these features in a bit. You can write your text here or upload your audio. But first, let's check how to upload audio. Click on Upload Audio and you can upload audio up to 15 minutes in single time. Then, adjust the facial pose, and if you want a 4K result, make sure to stay on this setting. Now, click on Generate, and it's creating our video. Mango AI is a fast generator, so there's no need to wait for hours. And just like that, our video is ready. Let me show you the result. Hello everyone, welcome to Mango AI. Here, you can bring your photos to life with realistic lip sync, create your own digital clone, or use a wide range of ready-made avatars to generate stunning content. Whether you are a content creator, making business presentations, educational videos, explainer clips, or even promotional ads, Mango AI does it all for you. Just write your text or upload your audio, select your image, and let Mango AI show you the magic. As you can see, the audio is perfectly synced, no unusual movements, and it looks incredibly realistic. Now let's try another one. I'm selecting a photo from the available options. Next, I'll write the text for the avatar to speak. You can also add pauses in your text if needed. Then, we select the voiceover for our character. Since I selected a female photo, I'll choose a female voice. As you can see, Mango AI provides a wide range of AI voiceovers, including 11 Labs voices. Just listen to a few and pick the one that sounds perfect for your video. After that, choose your preferred language. I'm selecting mine here. Now I'll set the facial pose. I'm keeping it on default. I want the video in 4K resolution, so I'll leave that setting enabled as well. Then, click Generate, and as you can see, it's creating our video. To be honest, the generation speed is really fast, even with the free plan. Our video is now generated. Let me show you the result.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pro Secret.
As you can see, the voiceover is perfectly synced, no unusual movements, and it looks incredibly realistic. I also generated a green screen video to use as my AI avatar. Just remove the background, and your AI avatar is ready to be used anywhere. Just imagine the kind of amazing content you can create using this AI. And yes, you can even make money from it. Now, let's create another one. This time, I'm selecting a male photo. From here, we can remove the background and even add a new one. Mango AI offers a wide range of backgrounds, or you can upload your own custom background. I'm uploading mine for this example. Next, set the emotion of your character and adjust the intensity of the emotion using the scale. If needed, you can also set the AI portrait, but I'm keeping it on default for now. Now, add your script. I've written the text here, but this time I want to include small pauses in the video. so I'm adding 1-second pauses where I feel they're needed. Then, select the voiceover. Since I'm using a male photo, I'm choosing a male voice. I'll keep the facial pose and 4K resolution settings on default. Finally, click generate, and here is the result.
In 2025 everyone want to start a YouTube channel, but most of you don't want to show your face, so this tool will cover your problem.
See, it's amazing. The lip sync is perfectly matched with the audio, and the background blends in seamlessly. It truly looks like a real person talking. Also, notice the facial expression. The avatar is smiling, just as we set it using the smile emotion. It looks so natural and realistic. Now, let's create a talking video with an animal. I'm selecting this cartoon-style cat and adding my text. The rest of the process is the same. Select the voice, set the facial expression, adjust any other settings if needed, and click generate. And here is the result.
You've probably seen a face like mine on YouTube Shorts getting millions of views. Now you can create the same, with just a few clicks, and perfect lip sync.
See, it's amazing. Now you can easily create animal videos using Mango AI with perfect lip sync. And if you've ever seen animal videos on social media, you already know how many views and engagement they get. Now let's check out a talking cartoon. I'm selecting this one, and the rest of the process is the same. And here is the result.
Hello everyone. Welcome to Mango Animate. Here, you'll find everything you need for your content. And it's the perfect place to boost your content creation journey.
See, it's amazing. Now you can easily create kids' stories using the talking cartoon style, and this niche is trending right now. You can use Mango AI to create multiple types of content, and trust me, people are making tons of money just by uploading AI-generated videos. You just need to take that first step and take action, otherwise, you'll be left behind. Mango AI provides a lot of other AI video tools, but I don't want this video to be too long, so go ahead and check them out yourself. I'll provide the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.